Hello, my name is Roderick Mosley, and I will be presenting on the social impacts of solar energy. Solar energy is the energy emitted by the sun in our solar system, and it is estimated that approximately 173,000 terawatts of energy is continuously in contact with the Earth. It is also estimated that the world's civilizations require approximately 15 terawatts of energy per year at the current rate of consumption. Therefore, solar energy is abundantly available in vast amounts all over the world without the harmful carbon byproducts associated with traditional fossil fuel or nuclear energy production methods, such as harmful emissions, chemical, or radioactive waste. However, this free energy must be collected and converted to power, and therein lies the cost of solar energy and the difficulties of relying on solar energy as the primary source of electrical power. This case study will outline how solar energy power is produced, discuss the pros and cons associated with solar energy, and the potential social impacts believed to be associated with the use of solar energy. There are two primary methods used to collect solar energy, and they are through the use of photovoltaic panels or a solar thermal system. In the first method, the photovoltaic panel serves as an electrical semiconductor with two electrical posts, and it absorbs the photons from the sun while simultaneously knocking free electrons absorbed by the semiconductor, which produces an electrical current. The solar thermal method utilizes an array of mirrors to focus energy on a fluid that is heated to the point of producing steam that propels the turbine, creating electricity. Because both methods require large amounts of sunlight with minimal interference from atmospheric conditions such as clouds, water vapor, and air pollution, based on location, season of year, and time of day, combining to determine a location's solar energy production capability dependent on the climate and dominant regional weather effects. Disadvantages of solar power. Productivity may vary with available sunlight exposure. Large solar arrays may adversely affect wildlife and vegetation. Solar energy systems do not produce at night. Solar energy systems are also subject to weather patterns, changes in the Earth's seasonal rotation, and the tilt of the Earth on its axis. The process of converting energy to electricity has poor efficiency. Initially, solar photovoltaic panels are high in cost. Advantages of solar power. Solar power utilized anywhere in the world that the sun shines. Solar energy is renewable. Photovoltaic panels are silent and do not produce noise pollution. Solar energy has a less intrusive impact on wildlife than traditional fossil fuel energy production methods. Initial costs can be recouped over time, and advances in technology should lower material costs and improve efficiency. A closer look at economic statistics of the solar energy industry shipments over time will further illustrate the social impacts experienced by Western nations. In 1998, Japan led the world in the production of photovoltaic panels, followed by the United States and Western European countries. However, with the early 2000s came a greater emphasis on the production of renewable energy and a shift in the global distribution of photovoltaic panels. In 2011, Japan was the only country that had previously led the world in photovoltaic panel production to remain in the top three, although it had given up the top seat to China at 57%, followed by Taiwan at 11%, and now holds the third position at 6.9%, followed by Germany at 6.7%, and the United States and remaining Western European countries combined to amass 5%. As recently as July of 2016, researchers made new discoveries on the impacts of solar energy parks on the environment that will have implications on the land use and farming practices used in conjunction with solar energy parks in the future, which may also have social impacts as second or third order effects. Scientists at Lancaster University in the United Kingdom discovered that solar parks lowered the temperature under the solar panels by approximately 5 degrees centigrade, lowering the overall temperature in the local area. This discovery is important because it has potential to offset disadvantages such as negative vegetation effects, high costs, and large space requirements. Farming in conjunction with solar energy operations can provide income that offsets the cost of the park and utilizes the space for additional purposes. Solar energy production methods have a social impact, but it appears to me that the overwhelming majority of those impacts are positive, and the future of solar energy production is very bright all over the world.